Anthropic just presented their approach to using MCP more efficiently. It's exciting, but it comes with a few problems. Let's take a look at it and discuss the problems. So here's the main reason for their approach. Tool calls consume context for every tool definition and every result of a tool call. A tool definition includes the name of the tool, the description, the parameters, including whether they are required or optional, which type they have, and their description, and a description of what the tool call returns. So the main problem for Anthropic is the following. Often agents use multiple tools and they don't even want to have the results from those tools because they are just moving those results into the next tool call. So for example, you want to move a bunch of meeting notes from Google Drive to Salesforce. For this, the agent doesn't really need to know about the meeting notes. It just needs to know that it's moving this one thing to another place. But in the current model, it can't. It's exposed to the complete text of the meeting notes, and then it needs to copy this text into the next tool. This is very error prone and it takes up a lot of context. Instead, they propose the following. Instead of calling the tools directly, the agent should write a little piece of code, and that code should use the MCP tools and put the output of the one tool into the input of the other tool. Like this, the agent saves a lot of context because it's never directly exposed to the meeting notes. To achieve this, they propose a different way of exposing tools to an agent. So instead of injecting the tool definition, they inject a file tree with all the tools. And then the agent can query each tool and get a precise definition. And as we can see, the definition is more rigorous. It comes with a clear type for the result, which was not the case before, and also a specification on how to import this tool. The benefit to this approach are that the agent has more power over tool execution. It can execute more than one tool at a time and be more specific about what context it wants. The problem with this approach is that most MCP servers currently available are not designed this way. Most of them are just returning text in the form of Markdown and not structured information. With those MCP servers, it's much harder for a coding agent to write little programs that automate multiple tool calls.